Hey guys, welcome back to the channel to Lex Expense Effects. So today I'm going to show you how to change transmission fluid for 2014 Ford Explorer XLT all-wheel drive. Easy job guys, stay with me on. Please guys, if you like this video, make like to the video and subscribe to the channel of course. Stay with me guys, show you the trick. So here we go guys, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to change the fluid. So this is has dipstick, this is not seal transmission. And some long time I will change fluid in this car. So the place to add in fluid is right there. So we're gonna go underneath and drain in the fluid, and I'll show you how to do this job. Okay guys, so now we are underneath of the car. So transmission to drain the fluid is this plug over here, and you have to use number 11. Number 11. Just put in that, do it like that, and get the bucket so much fluid, how much fluid it come in. And you go like that guys. So this is live video, no tricks, no nothing. Then you have to see how much fluid the kid come in. That fluid is pretty bad. Almost done. There we go. Put the plug back. So how much fluid it come in? It come in 4 quarts and a half. 4 quarts and a half of Max Life full synthetic transmission fluid. So stay with me guys, go on the top to add in fluid. So guys, so this is the old fluid and this is the new one. We're using today the Valvoline Max Life. This is what we call it for this car, full synthetic fluid. So look, the fluid, really bad. Last time I did change fluid in this car for this transmission was 77,000 miles, pretty much 40,000 over the service for the transmission. And this is the new one. Really bad guys. So stay with me to show you how to add fluid. There you go guys. So we gotta get the funnel to the place we gotta add in fluid. Actually there is no room. Okay guys, now it's good. So here we got 4 quarts and half of transmission fluid. Put everything back to this place. Put the So now you're gonna put air filter back to this place, starting the car. So guys, so after we adding the fluid to the car, so we have to do start the car and make sure you put your foot on the brake and it gets reverse. You have to wait 10 seconds, neutral, 10 seconds, drive, 10 seconds again, back to neutral, 10 seconds again, back to reverse, 10 seconds, back to park. Let the car run a couple minutes until the transmission gets hot, and like that you can do it again one more time, shift it second time, and put it parking, and good to go. You can go to drive and check the oil level, make sure the oil level is full before anything else. Thank you guys for watching, and please, if you like this video, make a like to the video, share and subscribe to the channel. Like that we can show you more tricks on the cars, and we'll see you to another video. Bye guys.